Welcome to my channel. Today I will build a very simple napkin holder out of pine wood. I will use some scrap pieces that are 22 millimeters thick. I also found a piece that is 9 millimeters thick. I will use this for the bottom of the holder. I start by cutting the pieces that will become the gables of the holder to a width of 6 centimeters. I also cut the piece that will be the bottom to the same width as the gables. Then I cut 8 pieces to a width of 3 centimeters. Then I continue by cutting the pieces that are 3 centimeters wide to a thickness of 1.5 centimeters. I also cut the gable pieces to a thickness of 1.5 centimeters. Now it's time to cut all the pieces to the correct length. I start by cutting the gables to a length of 15 centimeters. Then I continue by cutting the bottom plate to a length of 21 centimeters. Finally, I cut all the pieces that are 3 centimeters wide and 1.5 centimeters thick to a length of 24 centimeters. All the pieces are almost finished. I have decided that the outer edges of the pieces that are 24 centimeters long will be milled round. The upper outer edge of the gables will also be given the same rounding. I sand the flat surfaces smooth using the belt sander. Then I smooth the ends of the pieces by hand with a 320 grit paper. To get a nicer color on the wood and highlight the grain, I stain all the pieces before gluing. I start by gluing the gables together with the bottom plate and the side piece along the bottom. Then continue with the top side piece. When I finally glue the side pieces between the bottom and top side pieces, I use spacers. The distance between the side pieces should be 1 centimeter. Best to check that I have an exact 90-degree angle before continuing. Perfect. After the napkin holder has received a layer of protective varnish, it looks like this.